Okay, we are on the Weather Nation for the second day in a row. Here's my other video on the Weather Nation. Watch it. Here we are.
Welcome back to Weather Nation. We're covering today's top weather stories for Friday, the 18th of December, the final Friday of fall, but it is already looking a lot like winter. We need the heavy equipment in the Northeast as we are digging out from feet of snow.
That's right, a tremendous amount of snow in the Northeast, but hey, even in the Rockies, they've been getting in on that snow action as well, and a very